going to do a couple examples with some of the pressure equations we've been talking about. In the first problem, if you're given 2,550 newtons of force and you're given an area, we can easily find the pressure because we know pressure is force over area. In this equation, the units for pressure will be in pascals if the force is measured in newtons and the area is measured in square meters, because 1 pascal is 1 newton per square meter. These units all are correct, so we don't have to worry about converting anything. If I plug this in, my pressure is 2,550 newtons divided by 4.25 meters squared. And if you punch that into your calculator, 2,550 divided by 4.25, you should end up with 600. And to show 3 significant digits, you need the decimal point there, 600 point, and the units would be pascals. 600 point pascals of pressure. In the second equation, the question says how much force is given. We know what the pressure is, and we know the dimensions of the table so that we can get an area. So it's going to be the same equation. Pressure is force divided by area. However, in this case, we want to find force. So to rearrange the equation, if we multiply both sides by area, we get force equaling pressure times area. Now the force will be measured in newtons. The pressure has to be measured in pascals. So we have our pressure of 1.02 atmospheres. In order to use this equation, it needs to be in pascals. So to convert, I know that 1 atmosphere is equal to 101,325 pascals. If you multiply those two, you end up with 103,351.5 pascals. As far as area goes, we know that is length times width. So all we have to do is take our 0.43 meters times our 1.25 meters. And if we do that, 0.43 times 1.25, you should get 0.5375 meters. And now we're ready to insert that into our equation. Pascals, 101,351.5 times our area, 0.5375 meters. You know what? It's 103,351, I'm sorry. Multiplying those gives us 55,551.4 newtons. If you look back at significant digits, it looks like I'm only allowed 2 of them because of this measurement right here. So I need to round this digit right there, and my force then would simply be 56,000 newtons. 56,000 newtons.